welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, I just want to give you my thoughts on Mancera, and that is Amore Caffè. Okay, I received this in my Scentbird subscription for the month, and I just wanted to give you all my thoughts. I've been testing and trying it, and your girl got some thoughts, you know, good, bad, or indifferent, but you gonna see. Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So, is this fragrance versatile? Okay, you know we always start there. Now, I would say no. This fragrance isn't versatile, and I would only say that because I feel like this fragrance is for a season. I feel like fall, winter, this is a good fragrance. You might be able to get away with this kind of like at the beginning of spring, but when we get into the hotter summer season, like I feel like, wow, this might be okay. I just feel like this really gives me the more performance when it's cold. Okay, so I experienced some 60-degree weather. I know some of you all are still in the 90s and the hundreds, and y'all stay up there for quite a while, but we have been experiencing some 60, some 50, especially in the morning, so some colder temperatures. And while testing this in comparison to when it has been hot, because I've had this for a little bit, quite a while, right? I feel like the hot, I lost this fragrance, like it went missing in action. But when I wore this for the cooler weather, again, I don't know if it's that wind and that breeze, but it smelled so good. I was able to smell it more. It was more prominent and projecting and all the things, like amazing. I have it on now. Oh, it just is okay. We'll get into my thoughts. We'll get into my thoughts. I'm trying to be keeping it cute, but I would say versatility, not so much. I feel like it is for a season, but occasion, I feel like you can wear this like going shopping. I feel like this would be a good brunch. Even if you wanted to do like a wine, or if you had a wine event to go to, or like you were going to the vineyard and you're doing a picnic, or if you are, I would say a casual date. Now, not something like formal or something like a first date or something like a sexy date. I would say a more casual type of date, like if you're dating your husband or wife or girlfriend, but like, you know, if you're, again, just like very casual, even fun, like if you were going to a carnival, a fair, a fall festival or something like that, a concert, I think that this is really fitting for those occasions, right? I don't think that this will be off-putting in those surroundings. Now, I wouldn't do this at a wedding. Like if it was a fall wedding, this wouldn't be my scent to pick. But I would say, like, again, Netflix and chill, easy breezy, like it's very comforting. It's very good, very much projecting, especially in the cooler weather. I think like occasions, you got some room to move it with this fragrance, okay? Moving on. So packaging, I would say packaging is the same for Mancera fragrances. Normally they have the magnetic cap, but I do not have a full bottle. I just have the travel size I got in Scentbird. So the packaging is the same. If I'm looking at the picture, you have your gold, you have your black. It's very simplistic. I don't have a problem with it. We don't have any beef with the packaging, okay? Moving on. So pricing, I'm seeing that on a lot of shops that this you can get for this fragrance, you can get for $125. So I don't think that pricing is bad. Again, for kind of what you get for it, I think that $125 is pretty fair, especially for a niche fragrance house. So that's just, again, my opinion. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? I really feel like this is unisex. I feel like men, you can wear this females, you can wear this. Now, I would say it leans a little bit more sweeter. Now, men, if you don't mind like a fragrance that has brown sugar in this, again, I think that you can vibe with this. That would be the only thing, like it's a little bit more sweeter. But again, I feel like a man can get away with this, and definitely women, yeah, you definitely can get away with this. So I think it leans more unisex. So this fragrance was launched in 2023, and the notes that I have is coffee, amaretto, we have vanilla, we have brown sugar, and we have gray amber. Now, I don't know what gray amber is. I do know what amber is. I mean, that is my name. But it looks like it's a jewel, just kind of like similar amber. Maybe it's just grayer. I'll look that up later. But amaretto, we know. Do you all know what the beverage? Yes. Okay. I love, you know, an amaretto sour, and you know, little girly, little cutesy. I feel like that's the drink that you get when you don't know what else to get. Amaretto sour, you just can't go. Now, if the bartender is getting that drink wrong, question their license. Okay, question the whole thing. Anyway, we're not talking about amaretto sour. What are my thoughts? I would say, please do not test this on paper. I think I was very much thrown off when I first tested this on paper. It fit more closer to me, and the experience was a little bit better when I wore this on skin. Now, do I love it? I would have to say yes. I would not mind getting a full bottle. The amaretto, though, it stands out to me in this fragrance. Like, I don't know what it is. It's like the brown sugar and the amaretto are like the standout notes to me. I don't know what you all get, but really. And the vanilla in this. Yeah, and the vanilla in this. Now, I do kind of get like where the amber, like kind of like the darkness of the scent kind of lies, but it doesn't overpower. So if you're not into like amber, maybe this gray amber, whatever, I don't think it's a turn off, but this is really good. If you do not mind a good like boozy sweet vanilla, this is so comforting. I love this. I would love a full bottle of this. I can't wait to get my hands on this. I can't wait to knock this out. And in this season, it's amazing. And also, I don't want to forget like the coffee note in this, right? Now, for me, the coffee note plays in this, but it sits on the side. It's like the sideline person. Like it's the person that's on the sideline going to get into the game, but they just not in the game yet, right? I feel like the amaretto sour and the brown sugar, they're in the game. The coffee is on the sideline, but they're about to get in the game, right? And when they get in the game, because it's been a little bit longer for them to get in the game, it's a little bit of a soft push. It don't come out real hard, you know, because they've been waiting on the sideline. They got tired. They like, man, they up here, you know, dang, coach, why didn't you put me in earlier? So they got their attitude going on to the court. I'm talking about the coffee, the coffee note. The coffee note got his attitude coming into the game, you know, but when it gets there, it's like, okay, I'm here. What you want me to do now? We want you to play. But by that time, it's dialed down. Okay, so all I have to say, it dials down in my opinion and in my experience with this fragrance, but it does play with the amaretto and the brown sugar very well. Okay, they play well together, but it's not just like coffee. Like I don't get that. Again, on my skin, I don't get coffee. I get more brown sugar, vanilla, amaretto. Okay, but would I love a full bottle? Absolutely. I would highly recommend this. Again, if you like a good comfort type of fragrance, this is your girl. This is your new best friend. And if you have Scentbird, Put it on your month, okay? Check it out. See if you like it. See if you vibe with it. But for $125, yeah, she gonna be in my collection. I can see her rolling up in here, okay? And I know I'm late, but always on time. For me. Moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, family. Just my quick thoughts on the fragrance from Mancera. This is, again, the Amore Caffè, okay, fragrance. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Have you had experience with this fragrance? Do you have this fragrance? I would love to know if you vibe with it. If you don't, I would love to know either way, your good experience and your bad experience. It's all good. We're not going to all have the same experience, but I'm nosy, so I want to know all the tea, okay? Let me know also, what is your favorite Mancera fragrance? We just talked about Montel on a video. Montal fragrance, the sister company. So I would love to know, like, your Mancera fragrance, like, what is your favorite, okay? I have quite a collection for Mancera. I enjoy their fragrances, just overall. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.